Welcome back to Daddy DIY Grilling. Today, we're talking turkey. Most people ruin their Thanksgiving turkey before they even start cooking. And it happens right here in the grocery store. Choosing the wrong bird makes everything harder no matter how good your grill setup is. Today, we're fixing that so you can walk out of the store with the exact turkey your grill can handle. This video is all about making your turkey cook easier by selecting the right bird from the start. When your turkey fits your grill, it cooks evenly, has adequate airflow around it, and the entire process becomes smoother. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which size turkey works best on your grill and how to read the packaging the right way. When you step up to that freezer section, it all looks the same. Every turkey is wrapped the same way, the bags look identical, and it's easy to grab something too big without realizing it. But a little awareness right here will save you hours of frustration later when you fire up your grill. The truth is simple. Turkey size determines how evenly it cooks. Large birds slow down cooking, block airflow, and make it harder to get good skin. Smaller birds, on the other hand, cook quicker but require more attention to prevent dryness. Understanding this helps you choose a turkey that works with your grill and not against it. Matching the turkey size to your grill is one of the biggest decisions you'll make. If you're cooking on a Weber 22-inch kettle, stay between 11 and 14 pounds so you maintain proper airflow around the bird. Offsets and the Char Griller Smoking Champ can handle 14 to 18 pounds with ease because the cooking chambers are larger and provide more room for convection airflow. Pellet grills and most cabinet-style smokers perform best with birds between 12 and 16 pounds because they have steadier airflow but lower maximum radiant heat. When the turkey fits the grill, you get even cooking, stable temperatures, and better overall color and texture. Now I want to pause here and talk about electric smokers because a lot of folks consider using them for turkey. I wouldn't do it, and here's why. We just cooked chicken leg quarters in an electric smoker last week, and even at the maximum setting, which usually peaks around 270 to 275 degrees Fahrenheit, the color looked great, but that skin never fully rendered. It was a bit too chewy for me and didn't have a clean bite through. And think about it, if an electric smoker struggles with poultry skin on leg quarters, imagine how much harder it will be with a full turkey. Most electric smokers simply don't maintain the temperature needed to properly render skin without steaming the bird. So if your plan is to use an electric smoker this Thanksgiving, I'd seriously reconsider that approach or be prepared to deal with some chewy skin. What you'll find is that most stored turkeys are already brined with a 6 to 12% solution, and if you season them like a no solution bird, you'll end up over salting it. So look for labels that say solution added, enhanced, or contains up to X%. When you see that on the packaging, it means the turkey has already absorbed a brine solution during processing, and that tells you how aggressive you can be with your seasoning. For example, a bird with a 6% solution contains noticeably less salt than a bird enhanced to 12%, so you can season a little heavier on the 6% bird without risking that salty bite. Skip the oversized birds unless you're cooking on a large grill or smoker with plenty of airflow. Oversized birds trap steam, ruin skin texture, and slow down the cook. Also avoid birds with torn packaging, broken mesh, or heavy interior ice. That usually means at some point that bird thawed and refroze. Instead, pick a turkey with clean packaging, even shape, intact skin, and a weight that fits your grill size. A well-handled turkey cooks more predictably and helps you get that perfect color and texture without fighting against the bird the whole time. Choosing the right turkey is the first step towards an easier Thanksgiving cook. When your bird fits your grill and your grill can breathe, everything else becomes simpler, from seasoning to managing temperature to carving at the table. If you want the exact step-by-step game plan I use, including turkey sizing, thawing timelines, prep order, and a simple grill setup diagram, we put the whole system into a quick digital guide you can download today. You'll find the link in the description. Thank you so much for watching Daddy DIY Grilling. Until next time, grill boldly, serve proudly, and enjoy the process. I want to give a big shout out to our channel members. It's because of your generous support that we're able to keep creating and sharing these grilling resources. You're a huge part of this community, and we couldn't do it without you.